Now children, we will continue question number 3D. So children, in this question, you may look, it's a hexagon, okay? So there are 6 line segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's start with the first letter, that is A. So we have the first line name is your AB. Second line name is your line segment name BC. Third line segment CD. Fourth line segment DE. Fifth line segment EF. And the lastly 6 we have AF. Okay, so there are 6 line segments, children. You have to write its name. So let's write it. So children, here we have line segments AB, right here AB. Then BC, right here BC, CD, DE, EF, and lastly we have this line AF. So here we have 6 line segments, okay? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 line segments. Moving to next question here, children. You find out how many line segments are there. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again here we have 6 line segments. And you have to write their names. So start from the first letter, that is P. So first name PQ, QR, RS, ST, TU, and last name will be your PU. Okay? I hope you are getting. Now F number, there are 5 line segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to write 5 names. Start from letter A. So start from this line A, B. So write the first line segment AB, BC, right here BC, CD, right here CD, then DE, right here DE. Now this line. So you write AE because we will write the letter first, no A. So in this way, children, you have to count the line segments and you have to write their names. Now moving to question number 4, identify and name the following. So children, here you may find out which type of line in this. Either it is your horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. So you have to name it. So children, as you may see, it's a horizontal line. No, it's a straight line, horizontal line. So you may write it, horizontal line. Now here it is your slanting line. Okay. So you may write it. What kind of line is this? Slanting line, or you may write it oblique line. Now it's a curved line, isn't it? So you write your curved line. Now children, you have to write their names also. Name the following. So here the name is AB. So horizontal line AB. Okay, it's a line segment. Now this slanting line, so name it PQ. So it's your PQ. Now curved line name is IJ. So you write here IJ. I hope it is clear. Now we are going to question number 5. Mark a point P in your notebook and draw 4 line segments passing through this point. Now try to draw some more line segments passing through this point P. Can you count how many line segments have you drawn? How many more can you draw passing through point P? So children, we will do this in copy. So look at here. Suppose we have marked a point and the point name is P. And here you have to draw 4 line segments passing through this point P. Suppose we have drawn 1 line, then 2 line segments. Now we will draw the 3rd line segments passing through this point P. Now we can draw the 4th line segment. So children, we have drawn here 4 line segments passing through the point P. Now the question is, how many more lines can you draw? Can you count how many line segments have you drawn? And you have to try more line segments to draw. So we can draw here, na? We can draw here many line segments passing through it. Look at here. Passing through the one point, you can draw here many line segments, okay? So we cannot count it because you can draw infinite many. So can you count how many line segments have you drawn? So no, we cannot count the number of line segments. And how many more can you draw passing through the point P? So you will write here infinite. We can draw here infinite number of lines. Means many lines you can draw which is not countable. I hope it is clear. Question number 6. Mark 2 points Y and Z in your notebook. How many line segments can you draw passing through these points? So again children, do in copy this. So we are marking here 2 points, that is Y and Z. Now you have to draw a line segment passing through this YZ here like this. Now how many line segments can you draw passing through this YZ? If you try to draw again and again, but you will get only this single line. Isn't it? So we can draw only one line passing through 2 points. Okay? Now moving to question number 7. From the figure given alongside, identify the name, the horizontal line. So which are the slipping lines here? You can find out the slipping lines here. So here this is the slipping line and it is the slipping line. So what are the names of these two slipping lines? A, B and here C, D. So our horizontal lines are A, B and C, D. Now here vertical lines. So these are the standing lines are the vertical lines. Okay. So here AD and here BC. So standing lines are AD, BC. So you can write here AD, BC. Now the oblique lines, which are the slanting lines. So there are two slanting lines children, 1 and 2. So these two slanting lines name you have to write. So write here AC. One line is your AC slanting line. Second line this one, write it's BD. So here you write BD. The point of intersection of lines AC and BD. So point of intersection you know na? I have explained where the points meet. Yes. So the point of intersection of lines means whenever two line segments cross each other, they meet at a point. So the point on which two or more than two line segments meet is known as the point of intersection. Okay. So here you may see children. So these two lines are meeting at a point O. So this is the point of intersection. Here the line is AB and this line segment CD. So here the point of intersection is B. Okay, because they are crossing at this point B. Here the line segment XY, line segment YZ. So these two lines are meeting at point Y. So here the point of intersection is Y. Similarly, you have to do in that question also. So children, the point of intersection of line AC and BD. So here it is your AC and here it is your BD. Okay, so these two lines are meeting at this point, crossing at this point O. So the point of intersection of line AC and BD is O, point O. The point of intersection of lines AB and BC. AB and BC, this line. So where these two lines are crossing each other? AB, BC. So these two lines are crossing each other at this point. And this point name is B. So here answer will be point B. Okay. So children, I will send you attachments of this exercise. You go through the attachments and write this exercise in your geometry copy. And write everything and draw everything with the pencil only. By mistake, I told you to write with the pen. But in class 3, you're supposed to write with the pencil only, na? So beta, in the last class, if you had written with the pen, okay, now no problem. But from this exercise, you continue with the pencil only. Okay? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.